moving you further. Hyundai Construction Equipment aims to create products that bring greater abundance into our customers' lives. We always focused on impressing our customers with people. This is why we take the lead in the field of construction and turn the technologies that everyone has dreamed of into reality. The big driving forces behind our operations are our production plant in Ulsan, our Technical Innovation Center in Yongin, and the extensive global network that we have established. Our 8 overseas corporations and 4 overseas branch offices are linked by an information system that tracks sales, development, and production data. Especially our local factories in India, China, and Brazil have secured us a strong position in emerging markets. Our products and technologies are future-oriented and prioritize safety and efficiency. Hyundai Construction Equipment started its operations in 1985 and continued to grow until it was established as an independent business in 2017. Now, we are creating diverse products that innovate construction sites all around the globe. Our technological innovations revolutionize productivity. High Assist is a machine control technology that increases productivity by up to 30% through its automatic measurement function and machine control solution that enables drivers to handle the machines with perfect precision. Early 2021, we became the first company in Korea to produce machine control excavators. This important first step into the field of smart construction has been met with great satisfaction and praise from our customers. Safety is our utmost priority. High Detect, which started as a vision technology, aims to prevent accidents in the workplace and is constantly evolving. In 2015, we were the first construction equipment manufacturer to introduce an all-around view system. Since then, our continuous efforts have enabled us to develop a radar-based rear detection system. This system received the Technology Innovation Award at the European Motor Exhibition in 2020. In the near future, we are planning to launch a smart car system that uses AI deep learning technology to detect workers and prevent accidents by automatically decelerating and stopping. Hyundai Construction Equipment envisions a future of sustainable construction. We have successfully launched our A-Series equipment, which complies with the Stage 5 emission regulations in the North American and the European market. We also took the lead in the domestic market, where new regulations will come into effect in 2022, and launched new environmentally friendly excavator and wheel loader models in June 2021. The first generation of our electric 1.8-ton mini excavators is planned to be commercialized in 2021 and will mark the start of a big shift in the global construction equipment market. Furthermore, we have succeeded in developing the world's first 5-ton hydrogen forklift truck and are now working on a 14-ton hydrogen wheel excavator. We believe that it is important to give back to society and are thus heavily involved in charities such as the Nanum Foundation, disaster relief funds, and care for disadvantaged groups. As a company that centers around people, we always do what we can to fulfill our social responsibilities and build a world that belongs to all of us. To create a great future for our customers, Hyundai leads the innovation of construction equipment. What is next? Next is new Hyundai.